Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones nothing hears. So let's get started by opening the application, and I recommend to install the application to enable a lot of features here. So the first one, as you have bass boost right here, you can enable it. That's cool. This is my favorite mod. So next one, you have advanced equalizer. So if you want to, you can make the best one for you, how you prefer. Let's go next. These headphones have low lag mode, so if you like to play mobile games, this will be good for you. Next one is dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your headphones, and this is really cool. And the last one, that these headphones have really good microphone. I tested it, and it mute street sounds if they is. Also, when you speak softly, I clearly hear myself when I speak softly, and when I speak normally, of course, also. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.